Hola amigas, amigos, Malecón Manny here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing the DJI Mini 2 drone. Comes in a combo pack. I'm going to show you some fundamental steps how to get you going. Grab a snack, grab a drink, grab a chair, sit back and relax, and enjoy the video. Hey, hola amigos, Malecón back. I'm going to showcase the equipment I just brought on this holiday. So I told you I was going to get a drone and a gimbal. So the gimbal I bought, or I'll just pan around here. So the gimbal I bought is the Crane M2, and yeah, it's a little unique. The name of it is I hope I get this right. I don't know if you can see that. Hayuan, I believe that's how you say it. I've used it a couple times already. The biggest thing is to get it balanced. So you can use your you can use a cell phone on it. You can use a camera, even a GoPro, which I'm using right now. So I'm not going to totally showcase this one yet. I'm still learning it, and I will do a demonstration on it, how to balance it and set that up. So, but in the meantime, I'm going to showcase the DJI Mini Magic 2. I got this one from Amazon, and here I'm just gonna set up my tripod here on my GoPro 9. That's what I'm using, and let me just get a little bit. I think that's it. And put the gimbal aside, put it like that. So yeah, it comes in a very nice travel case, right? And I got this one specifically because there's not really any regulations for flying it. It's very small and compact, so yeah, it's a lot of vloggers use it too. So it comes with if you can see that, see the inside of it. So your drone is on the one side here, and then you got your remote pack, right? And then you got your battery packs. Well, this is called a combination DJI, and you get 3 battery packs to go with it, and plug-ins. Okay, so I'll go quickly with this. So here's the remote. Start with the remote first. So pretty easy to use. They got these toggle switches you can take out and screw them in. All right, do that first. All right. Now with the DJI system, of course, you got to download an app to run the drone, which I've done already. And this is the app here. All right. So, and to put it in the remote, you got this thing here. It's kind of spring loaded. So you put your iPhone or whatever kind of phone you're using, Android, and just push it up, and it locks it into place like that. So it's all ready to go. And then you have to power it up, which is, you hit it one time here, and second time. Now she'll keep on flashing like that. Means she's in running mode, and that means it's got full batteries too. I've already charged it, and this is the port where you charge it up to. Okay, so I've already done some flights, and yeah, I've done a number of flights already. Here's a bit of history of what I've done already on the trip, and I've already downloaded these on my laptop. Okay, and then like I said, it comes with three batteries, right? And got USB port on this side and a charging port here, and this button here gives you the status of your charges in your batteries. So this one here looks like it's pretty low. I'll throw the other one in too, see where it's at. Yeah, it's pretty low too. So yeah, I just did a flight with this one, and I'll post it, I'll upload it too with this video. And then, okay, and I'm gonna power off here so not to kill the battery. There we go. And quickly we'll do the drone. So it comes in, I mean, look at the size of this friggin' thing. It fits my hand, no problem. And it's got this band on here to keep the propellers in place. So you unsnap that first. That's your first move. Next move would be actually the first move, I think, before you unsnap it is I put the battery in, which is on this end here. There's a button here you push and opens up the back end of the drone for the battery, and then you place your battery in. Boom. There's the boom. There we go. Now we're in. Okay, so that'd be the first thing to do while the props are all nicely tucked in with this band. Next thing would be is to open up the props. So I would these are your front ones here. Swing them back, and then these ones would swing towards you. And same with this one here, swing towards you too. And then the gimbal in the front, that's your lens there. It's got a protective casing. Always take that off before your flight. All right, it's just snapped in there like that. All right, it's a 4K lens. These things here are your air vents. All right. Allow the air to go through and cool down the drone in flight. Good thing with this combo pack, it also gives you extra props too, in case you know you ruin one or whatever in flight, or they spin off or whatever. Yeah, they give you about 4 sets. So with the combo pack. And yeah, DJI Mini 2, that's what this one's called. What else is on here? Ultra light, 249 grams. Okay. And so before you do your pre-flight, you have to power up the drone, and you hit this once, right? It tells you how much battery life you got. Only one battery. I just did a flight on it, and then you have to hit it again. I don't know if you guys noticed that. There you go. So the drone gets all calibrated, gets all set up. Yeah, that's basically it. What else can I show you? Oh, what I do is, well, you got the green light on there too, so I'm showing it's ready to go. What I do on my remote here, I do a pre-flight, so I go connection guide. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so it's the DJI. So there's different ones you can pick, right? Different kind of drones, and of course on this app I picked the DJI Mini 2, right? Oh, I forgot one more thing. There's a cord. Shit. Sorry. Messed up already. I'm not a good presenter of this one, am I? There we go. Yeah, so there's a cord that goes with this. It's got to be plugged into your phone, obviously, so you can use the app. Right, power it up. All right, there we go. So, yeah, so before pre-flight, what I was going to say is I go through, let me just fix this GoPro a little bit here. There we go. So I set my maximum altitude and distances, and the biggest one I do is the compass sensors. I calibrate every time. All right. So you got to rotate it 360 degrees. All right, I just did it now in my hand, and then I got to go this way with it. There, all good. You guys see that? Yeah, I got the check mark. So I'll just go there. So what I could do is, I guess I could show you real quick. Put her there. Got my remote in front of me. And hit the takeoff button. Come on, Manny. You had it. Didn't work. Oh, there we go.
Takeoff. The report has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. So she's beeping now because I got a low battery, as we knew prior, right? So when you hit the start up, it goes up only about a meter and a half, and make sure everything's going to good, and then you can start going, you can start flying. But I'm not going to take it all the way up now because I got a low battery and we got to end this video here. So when you're ready to land, you just hit the land button.
Landing.
And we're down. Yeah, pretty easy. So yeah, it took about you know, a good hour worth of practicing and getting used to all the functions. One recommendation with the pack when it comes with a lot of paperwork, instructions how to set it up, you know, and the instructions are so small it's hard to really read it. So what I did was I went on YouTube and I just followed a couple YouTubers there and how they set it up, and it's, you know, that's probably your best bet. And I did the same thing with the gimbal too. I just went on YouTube instead of reading the instruction book, because just you need a freaking magnifying glass to read that crap. But anyways, I mean, there's some good information there. I don't want to put it down or anything like that, but just go on YouTube. There's so much wealth of information out there to set up these kind of electronics. So highly recommended. Other than that, that's it. So I'm gonna go charge up my batteries and do some more flying, some more practicing. Adios, amigos, amigas. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It was a pleasure doing it for you. Hopefully you got good info and value from it too. Hey, if you get a chance, please subscribe. Leave a comment or two. I do respond to comments. And hit that notification bell for future Malecón Manny vlogs. And hey, go watch some of my short vlogs too. They're pretty cool too and funny. Hey, glad you came aboard. Hope you enjoyed it again. And we'll see you on the next one. So on that note, mucho gracias, hasta luego, and adios, friends. See you on the next one. Ciao.